might have been a little generous with their use of the word utopia.
This place looks more depressing than Comedy Chim's holiday special the year his wife left him.
Alright, this entire operation hinges on nobody noticing we're here. So much for that.
Carbon-based life forms detected!
These guys are infected too. They're probably just innocent Morristown civilians. Better not destroy them.
They're not fighting back. They must be afraid of our superior power and intellect.
You sure we can't destroy them? Come on, this way!
Over here!
Oh, thank goodness. A stranger in a dark alley.
Stay back!
Stand down, troops! These two are allies.
My time, Bolt. Are we glad to see you?
No time for pleasantries. I ain't no frat boy and this ain't no ice cream social.
What kind of weak frat parties are you going to?
You'll have to forgive Myton. He's been under a lot of stress ever since he was named leader of the robot resistance.
I ain't gonna sugarcoat it. We're really in the soup.
Who sugarcoats soup?
A surface bot has taken over Morristown, projecting a viral signal for miles in every direction.
Which is why the robots on the ground are infected.
We're safe here, but once we leave this bunker's lead-lined walls...
Our brains will be so scrambled you could serve them with hotcakes and a cup of joe for $5.99.
You guys might not be able to leave the bunker, but we can.
Sonic and Tails reporting for duty.
Belay the potty language, privates! Now, according to our intel, the leader of the enemy forces is located at Morristown Central Power Core.
I'm transferring a map to you wirelessly right now.
Give him heck, boys. All right, just stay calm and remember our training. Normally I'm a pacifist, but today I'll be passing fists.
You seriously call this thing friend? He's got a great personality once you get to know him.
Destroy, obliterate, exterminate.
You were saying? If I'm reading this map correctly, the Central Power Core should be straight ahead. I did say if.
Everywhere in Morristown looks exactly like everywhere else in Morristown. And what's up with all these jug handles? Why can't we just make a left?
We're never gonna find the robot leader's stronghold.
Intruders, get them! And take them directly to our leader's stronghold!
Okay, if you say so.
Sir, we found these two surface dwellers loitering in Sector 7G.
Hey, we weren't loitering. If anything, we were trespassing.
You got a real knack for negotiation, Tails.
Son, Tails, how sweet of you to travel all this way.
Hey, Hypnobot? Is that you? I don't remember programming you to be sentient.
That's because you didn't. You created me to be your instrument of destruction for some childish competition. In the end, I was defeated by some backflipping canine. I spent weeks waiting for you to rescue me. Thankfully, a local scouting vessel showed up. They made repairs and improvements, granting me sentience, and more important, the ability to understand how much you betrayed me. So, I used my hypnotic powers to manipulate ground forces to attack you surface dwellers. While at the same time creating a stronghold here in Morristown. Would you think they'd have named something better, like Skytropolis?
I didn't
Did you hear that, everyone? Tails is sorry. Guess I should cancel my world domination plans. Engage condescending laugh mode. Your kind will soon be wiped out.
You're the one who's gonna be wiped, Hypno Butt.
Disable condescending laugh mode.
It's me you have a beef with. Leave everyone else out of it.
And where do you get off turning the robots that rescued and repaired you into mindless zombie minions? Not cool, dude.
I lost all hope of being cool the day Tails built me in his image.
Aww.
Now, my minions, attack!
Too many of them.
There's too many of them. We can't do this all by ourselves.
Terrified villagers, I know you've all perfected the art of cowering in fear, but today I'm going to ask more of you.
Do you need us to run around with our arms flailing?
No, my bovine amigo. Whether you're a hero, a villain, or a reoccurring background character, today we ask you to stand and fight. Not for your families, not for your friends, but because look at all those things these robots ruined. Those were our things, our knickknacks, our tchotchkes, our doodads.
Not our doodads!
It's time to tell our enemies that they may break our spirits, but they can never break our stuff!
He's getting away.
There's no end to these guys. The only way to stop them is to take out Hypnobot. What are you waiting for, Tails?
He's my creation. I can't do it.
Ow! Ugh! Tails!
We did it! Woohoo!
Cubot smash!
Great job, everybody. I'm really proud of how we all work together. Now, all we have to do is clean up this mess and restore our town to its former glory. Who's with me?
This store-brand stuff tastes terrible. But an evil doctor without evil minions doesn't deserve name-brand cereal. Ah, my robots! They're coming back! I knew they wouldn't want to miss Crazy Hat Day! It's Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day! Oh! Huh?
Ow! You sure you know how to treat injuries to non-robots?
No, but I have duct tape. Duct tape fixes everything.
Ow! Oh!
Ha! You think that's bad? I did a stint in Guadamanana. Woke up one morning to find the whole platoon decapitated. Of course, they're all robots, so I was able to just screw the heads back on, but still.
Sonic, I feel terrible about all this.
It's not your fault.
First, I created and inadvertently abandoned a robot that nearly led to the destruction of the world. And on top of that, because of my hesitation to stop him, you got your leg busted up.
point, it is your fault. But hey, at least everything turned out fine in the end.
Welcome to Team Eggman.
Oh man, to be continued? I hate that.